Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to add Myki card to your Apple Wallet. First of all, you need to open your App Store and you need to go to the search where you need to write pass to wallet and you need to install the app which is called Pass to You Wallet. We need to use this app to add the Myki card to our Apple Wallet, guys. So first of all, install this app into your phone. After that, when you install the app, you need to open it. So when you open the app, you need to click the Pass Store in the bottom left corner and you need to click the search button in the top right. Right here, you need to write Myki in the search and click the search button. And right here, we'll see the template of the Myki card, which is applied by 735 times. So you need to click on it and you need to click the next button in the top right. And right here, you need to customize your card. You need to write the name of your card. You need to enter the card number and other optional information. And once you will finish, you need to click the done button in the top right. And then click add in the top right. And now you can close this app and you can open your Apple Wallet. And right here, you will see your Myki card. So if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.